I still hear your voice echo in my mind. Every step I take, it's like you're still behind. I try to move on, but the past won't let me go. Your love was my home, now it's just a ghost. I can't forget you, even if I try. I'm trapped in the shadows beneath the sky. You walked away, but I'm still here with a broken heart and endless fear. I won't love again, not anyone new. I can't let go of the ghost of you. I see faces, but none of them compare to the way you looked, to the love we shared.